This video will show how to make ocean in Blender. This is the scene I made in the last video by using Blender add-on Dynamic Sky. We can find this video in this channel. Also, I make the motion of the sky by changing the color and changing the cloud shape. I will use this environment for making the ocean. Now I switch on the floor and go to solid mode. Add the plane. Go to Modifier properties. Add ocean. We can enlarge the ocean by repeating. And the resolution is quite important. Better resolution can give better quality of ocean. Let's say 60. To render, I will choose 32. The time, about the time, changing the time, the wave will move. Go back to 1 now. And in the way, we can scale up to 2. Smallest way, I want it to 0.1. Topless to 2. Alignment, I make it 0.5. So we can see the motion. Sorry. But we can see the motion by changing the time. So I'd like to set the time frame. The first frame is 1 and the last frame to 40. So we have the motion of the ocean. Now go to material property to add the material. I split the window in vertical and switch to shader editor. And make sure that we select the plane and select material. I call it ocean and change to dark green. Okay. And roughness 0.05. IOR 1.33. Same as water. Transmission to 1. So it has light texture now. To preview the motion here. And make the font invisible. Now we can add a font here. Check the box and ocean font. We can decrease the coverage and make it negative 0.01. And in the shader editor, to make the font, I add the attribute notes, emission notes, and next shader notes. You can add them. and copy his name to attribute name. So we can find that the shape of the wave is looking better. Now, this is almost finished about the ocean. We can switch to render preview by using cycle. This is how I make the ocean with Blender. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.